Courtney here with Indigo Marketing Agency. In this video, I'm going to walk through the steps to upload contacts to Constant Contact. So I have a spreadsheet here again with first name, last name, and email address. And whatever spreadsheet program you're using, you should have the option to download or save the data as a comma separated values or CSV. And so I'm going to download that and come over to Constant Contact. Once in Constant Contact, if you select the contacts option and then add contacts in the upper right hand corner, it brings up a pop-up list with a few different options. So you can add contacts one at a time by selecting this option, and you just come in here and add all of the information. You can also upload from a file, which is what we will be doing today. So you find the file on your computer and load that, and it will give you a preview of what that data will look like. It gives you the option to change what the data is matched to in Constant Contact. But if everything looks great, you just hit continue, and then I have permission. If you want to tag these, so all of those contacts are my coworkers, so I'm going to tag them as Indigo Marketing employees. But once you have it organized the way you want, you just hit upload, and then they should be added to your contact list. So I can see all of those options here. And that's it.